Hey guys, this is Shirish and you are on Bonsai and Gardening Zone. And today's video is all about how to grow organic cucumbers in containers at your home, balcony or terrace. In this video, I'll also share 65 days updates starting from seeding to harvesting with very simple tried and tested care tips. All that is coming up. Guys, picking crunchy and nutritious cucumbers fresh from your own garden is always a delight. Sliced into salads or sandwiches, pickled or dropped into cooling summer drinks. Cucumbers are loved by everyone. But if you have limited space and your garden is in pots and you are wondering, can cucumbers be grown in pot or containers? So the answer is yes. So guys, watch this entire video to know how easy it is to grow this amazing vine in containers. Guys, I'm growing this hybrid variety of cucumber. Now before seeding, I'm soaking seeds for overnight. This will ensure fast germination. Cucumber vine should be started in seed starting tray rather than sowing directly into the container. To make seed starting mix, I am taking vermicompost 50%, coco peat 40%, perlite or river sand 10%. Mix it well and add some water to this fluffy mixture. Now fill it with the moist mixture and sow seeds not more than ½ inch deep. Cover the seeds with some mixture and keep it under shade. Water them regularly. Guys, to get constant supply of cucumbers till late winters, sow the seeds again after 4 weeks. You can see after a week almost 90% seeds has been germinated. After 14 days, saplings has developed 3 to 4 true leaves, which means it is ready to be transplanted. Take out saplings gently. See, it has developed a dense root system. Plant the sapling little bit deeper. Guys, this is a big container, so I'm growing 2 saplings in one container with a distance of 12 inch. As far as cucumber vine is concerned, grow it into biggest possible pot as its root grows extremely dense and needs a lot of space. I'm growing it in this 14 inch long, 21 inch wide and 15 inch deep container which I have made from a fruit crate. Cucumbers can thrive in any well-drained soil, but when growing it in pot, it requires rich soil with micronutrients in it. To make potting mix, you need garden soil 60%, vermicompost or cow dung compost 20%, sand 20%. Also add 1 fistful of bone meal and 1 fistful of neem cake powder, which is an organic fungicide. After 30 days of germination, flowering has been started and new side shoots are coming. After 40 days, the leader of the vine has climbed to the top of canopy net, which I have made by jute rope and bamboo. Now I'm pinching the growing tip of the leader. This is called as 3G cutting. This will encourage plant to produce fruiting side shoots. This vine grows really fast, so give it support for climbing such as bamboo canes, vertical wires, strong netting or rope. I have made this jute rope canopy net to train vines up with its support. Guys, this is the result after 50 days. This vine is now full of flowers and some small fruits. there are male and female flowers. It's easy to identify female flower by the slight swelling of the embryonic fruit behind each bloom. Now guys, this is the result after 60 days. See, these vines are full of fresh and crunchy cucumbers. Guys, generally when you grow cucumbers in pot, you don't get a lot of fruits, but as you can see, each of my vine is full of cucumbers of all sizes. There are two reasons behind this. Number one is timing, and number two is my pollinator friends. They goes from one flower to another and help in pollination between male and female flowers. I never use chemical pesticides on fruits and vegetable plants. And finally, it's harvesting time. Cucumbers should be harvested when still immature, green and tender like this. An overgrown cucumber will start to turn yellow and then brown. Also the seeds will be hardened. Guys, during fruiting period, I pick these cucumbers in every 3 to 4 days, and this encourages more fruiting. Cucumbers can be grown in July to September or just before the rainy season starts. If the soil temperature is below 68 degrees Fahrenheit, the plant will germinate very slowly. Below 50 degrees Fahrenheit, it will not germinate at all. Cucumber plants thrive between 75 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. All varieties of cucumber are warm weathered varieties preferring full sun. Place the container where it gets maximum sunlight. They grow best in US Zone 4 through 11. Cucumber plant is a fast growing vine and also heavy feeder. Feed plant every 2 to 3 weeks with well-rotten cow dung compost or vermicompost. 2 fistful per square feet is sufficient enough. Also add 1 fistful of bone meal every month. And while fertilizing, never lose the upper surface of soil in the container, as it may damage the feeder roots which are growing just under the surface of soil. No synthetic fertilizer is required for this vine. Remember, the more organic you grow, the better fruiting it will give. Guys, inconsistent watering leads to yellowing of leaves and bitter tasting fruits. The main care requirement of cucumber is consistent watering and plenty of sun. So guys, just follow these simple steps and try to grow your own organic, crunchy and nutritious cucumber at your home. Well guys, that's all for now. Hope you find this video helpful. Please like, share and comment on this video in comment section. Consider subscribing this channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications of new videos. Thanks for watching and keep on gardening.